fucking ridiculous, and we're being forced to pay so much money, and we're going to be in debt for the rest of our fucking lives, and it's so bad in the lower class and the middle class. It's the middle class that are being penalised because we're the ones that can't afford it, and it's what that fucking Tory bastard said. Howard Flynn, Tories said that they consider the middle class to be so below us that we breed. They consider us animals.
It's taken away our option of going to university. Like for me, anyway, I don't want
to be.
And I want to be educated. And once you've got a degree, it gives you the opportunity to, you know, get a good job and earn a living. But we've got this debt hanging over us for the rest of our lives if we go to uni now. And yeah, and it's just disgusting, really.
Why are funding a load of complete things that we don't need? Illegal wars. They're funding war. They're funding trident weapons, and they're funding nuclear shit. And we're the ones getting we're the ones being penalised. And we can't get educated because they haven't got their priorities right. It makes no sense.
I'm here because the government's trying to fuck everybody over, including students mainly who are getting fucked over the worst, and the teachers. They're making student fees higher while decreasing the quality of the education, which is just ridiculous. That's all I have to say. And the police are being very provocative. That's all I have to say.